Hey there everybody, this is a video that I normally would have done on camera, but I'm afraid to say really poorly, and it's a miracle if I even get dressed at the moment. So I've just picked out a pretty blanket to have as the background, and I'm literally going to talk at you through the camera. But I reached a major milestone for myself and for my channel this week, and we have reached 200,000 subscribers, which is just mind-blowing for me personally, because I would never ever have even thought about starting a channel until my husband kind of pushed me into it. And so the fact that I even got to 1,000 subscribers blew me away, but to get to this point is just really special. And so I wanted to do a very quick video just to say thank you to you all, to every single one of you, whether you're a new subscriber or whether you've been here right from the very start. I just wanted to say thank you for being here, and also with all of your continued support through what has been a very tough year for me personally. So to get this milestone, especially now at what is quite a difficult point in the year, has been a little, I don't know, it's just been something nice that's happened. So I'm really grateful for that. But before I sign off, I just wanted to let you know that I will of course be doing a 200,000 subscriber giveaway, and that will be coming really soon. But I just wanted to ask your opinion very quickly. Would you rather have one winner with a big prize, like a really big prize, or two winners with slightly smaller prizes? But then I was thinking one winner for every 100,000 subs might be quite nice. So yeah, what do you think? One winner with a big prize or two winners with slightly smaller ones? Let me know what you think about that in the comments. But yeah, thank you very much for sticking with me, and obviously I have got lots more to come eventually on this channel. I've got so much that I want to do on here, and I'm just very grateful to have the support and the opportunity to keep doing it. It's very important to me, and I feel very lucky and very grateful. So I will see you again very soon for more tutorials and of course for the giveaway. But bye for now.